How to solve the music option not showing on your Instagram account. Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix the music option not showing on your Instagram profile. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Try to restart your device. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and then try the next solution. Solution 2. Log in or log out from Instagram app. Open Instagram app, tap on Profile. After that, tap on the line icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Logout. Again, tap on Logout. After logging out, close the page history. And now open the Instagram app and log in with your username and password. Solution 3. Update your Instagram app. Open the App Store, search Instagram. If you find any updates, then please update the app. And now open Instagram. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have any issues, then try our last solution. Solution 4. Offload the Instagram app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Instagram app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app, and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If you still have any problems, then try our last solution. Solution 5. Connect any VPN and try on Instagram and check whether it works or not. Connect any particular VPN and open the Instagram app and check whether the music option is showing or not. After all these solutions, if you still can't solve your music not showing problem on Instagram, then please kindly write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.